I'm so excited for today's video. I am back in my car. I am so excited. I haven't filmed in like 3 weeks. Welcome back. Hey guys, to another video. Today's video, I am actually going to be doing a Kindle pros and cons, the one and only Kindle Signature Edition. I am also going to be doing in this video a Kindle reading vlog. And I'm gonna be reading it to see my experience with the Kindle, to see if I like it, what I don't like about it. First off, if you guys haven't been reading my fall vlogs, I have made 2 so far. Make sure you guys check those out to get all of the cozy fall vibes. In one of those videos, I was talking about, I was looking for this certain drink that is like everywhere and everyone's talking about it, especially Destiny on YouTube. I love her videos, and she mentioned it, and she's like a big energy drink girl. And Alani, I feel like I tried a couple of their drinks, like the Red Slush and Stardust one. They're very sugary for me. It says it has no sugar, but it's very like sweet. Anyways, I saw Destiny pull this out, Alani Witch's Brew, and it's new for Halloween and fall. And since the beginning of this month, I've been trying to get my hands on this, and October 25th I finally got my hands on this. It was nowhere to be found. The Target, and then I was like, they're not there, they're always sold out. And so we're gonna try it together because I'm so excited. I heard it's giving like caramel apple. I always say candy apple, I don't know why. Okay, y'all, look how beautiful this is. Drinker. Oh. Okay. Damn. Like every time I drink an energy drink, I'm like, it's green apples. I taste it. No, I taste the caramel like after. It's good. I like this one better than the Red Slush and all of the other ones. I give it like an 8 out of 10. We're done with that. We got the energy drink, so I might be like all over the place with this video. Can you guys tell I don't get enough sleep? Like, can you guys tell I'm tired? I actually saved up enough money. I was working my ass off trying to get this Kindle. And I was looking at the reviews on TikTok and YouTube videos of like what kind of Kindle to get, because there's like so many. There's like the Paperwhite, there's like Oasis, dude. I decided to get the Kindle Signature Edition. It's kind of bigger than the Kindle Paperwhite. The Kindle Paperwhite is kind of a little outdated and it's kind of glitchy when I was seeing videos and TikToks about and people reviewing it. A little bit slower. Me? I have no patience. Okay, I'm gonna just save up a little bit more. Hey, I work my ass off trying to get this Kindle. Most reasonable one and the most one that fits me is the Kindle Signature Edition. It's a little bit bigger, has more storage, has like 32 gigabytes, and you could carry more books. It's super lightweight. But yeah, so I finally got this one. I got it at Best Buy for sale actually, because I think the original price for the Signature Edition is $190 on Amazon. They also sell it at Best Buy, and they're having like a whole little sale for like 3 days, and I actually got it for $140, like plus tax and everything. I was like, if this isn't a sign to get the Kindle, I might as well just get it. It's like a little birthday present for me, because my birthday's not until December, but after everything that I've been through, and I conquered like a lot of fears this year, so I'm like, I'm really proud of myself, and like it's a gift for me, and I've been wanting this. Who's gonna get it for me other than myself? And I also got a clear case, and I'll put everything in the link in the description if you guys want any of these. So I got the Amazon clear case that fits my Kindle, and I got these stickers. Aren't they so cute? I love y'all, don't even start with me with skim skis. One of my coworkers put me on with Sony Angels and skim skis, but skim skis have my heart. They're so cute, and they glow in the dark, so that's a plus. So I'm like, I just love skim skis. Like, it's like my all-time favorite thing. Sticker, look at him. Look at him. It's his book club. He's reading a little book and listening to headphones. And this one's like a little freebie. Look at him. He's just there. And then this one, I think this is from a different shop, and it just says, reminder, you can never have too many books. Don't stick it on your Kindle. Like, I don't know, I heard that it's better to just like have the regular sticker and just put it on your case, your clear case, so you can see like this, and then if it's like Christmas or a different holiday, you could just replace the stickers. And I think that's such a good idea. Like, I'm gonna have like a whole basket of stickers. Give me an extra skim ski sticker. So cute. And then I got another one. Oh, look at it. I'll leave the link in the bio if you guys want these stickers, because they're so cute. That's fun. And see, they have such creative people, and like, people are so amazing at how creative they are, and I love their creativity. So like that's why I buy their stickers on Etsy, and I want to support that. Oh, and I think the signature edition is also waterproof, which is a plus if you want to like read at the pool or at the beach. You're paying extra because the signature edition has no ads. Imagine having no ads, because I think it's like me, like when I watch YouTube videos and there's an ad, I'm like, oh bro, come on. I don't know how long the ads are in the Paperwhite or any of the Kindle editions, but for sure the signature edition does not have any ads, and I appreciate that because I don't want to stop reading, especially when the book is getting so good. But it's really up to your preference and everything. The whole main reason why I got the Kindle is because I am tired of getting and buying books that are lower than 3 stars. Like, I just want my bookshelf to be like 4 out of 5 out of infinity stars in my bookshelves, and I just want to be happy with them. And like, I don't want to see that one book that I DNF on my bookshelf or anything like that. But so that's why I was like, damn, I really wasted my money on this book that I DNF'd, or it was like a 1 star, 2 or 3. And I'm like, I'm so tired of it, because like I literally work for my money and I'm tired of wasting it with like not good books. Yeah, so I got the Kindle, so they're a little bit cheaper. Most of the books I've been reading right now are free, and like I absolutely love, and I know for sure after I finish those books, I'm going to buy it and put it on my shelf, because you know Barnes & Nobles is like $20 each for a book, but the Kindle is like, it's like a reasonable price, is like 10 or 9 depending on the book. So the Kindle Unlimited is 3 months free when you get the Kindle. I don't know if you guys can see, but like on top of the books, on top of it will be like a Kindle Unlimited, and when you click on it, it says read now, download, and it's like completely free. It doesn't have cost, but be careful because sometimes they do have like a little bit of cost. So after the 3 months, the Kindle Unlimited is $11.99 each month, so beware of that. I think it's not that bad. I really like Kindle Unlimited, and they do have like some popular books, and some books are like not as popular, so when you could read them for free on the Kindle Unlimited. But the Kindle is really lightweight. I was so surprised when I opened the whole unboxing. A regular phone is heavier than the Kindle, but it comes like with different colors, and I got so lucky getting the green one. I love this color green. Like this, like the settings and everything is like, so you could do the warm, and like this, like you see it's not that glitchy, like better, and it comes with the warm so it won't hurt your eyes. But yeah, it has like so many books, and it's like so much more faster. And I know people like love annotating, and then Kindle does provide that. You can actually highlight anything you want. It saves this on the book, so when you get the physical book, you know where you want to highlight, and like it shows like the location and the chapter, like all of that, so you won't miss anything. And you know what is so cool? I always struggle with like big complicated words or new words, and like Kindle provides that for you. You just highlight the word, dictionary, Wikipedia, or the translation of the word, which is like really helpful because I get lost, and it makes like the story 100% more easier to read. It also shows the time and the percentage, the page here, and then the percentage. Literally when you open it, it looks like a book. Oh, you know what? It's so annoying. Font of a physical book is like so small, and it's like kind of hard to read. You could adjust the font, which I think is so much more helpful, and it's easier to read, and I read a little bit faster, and I could read at night, which is good because like sometimes I just want to go to bed and read, and I can't do that with the physical book because it's kind of uncomfortable reading. And I believe the Kindle battery life is like around 10 weeks. I definitely recommend the Kindle, and I was one of those people where like, what's the whole point of ebooks and like getting the Kindle when you could just get a physical book? But then I realized how cheaper it is and how convenient, how lightweight it is. The first book that I decided to read on the Kindle is called In a Jam. Yeah, I'm really excited for this book because it's giving like small town romance. I think like both of the main characters are farmers, and I think the girl was first a big city girl, and she came by to the little small town to inherit her grandmother's tulip farm. And I was like, tulips, I love tulips. Those are my favorite flowers, and I hope we get more of the inside of her farming the tulips and see how she's gonna grow that farm. But yeah, I'm really excited, so I'm going to be reading In a Jam right now to see what I think. Okay, so it's like 11:31 p.m. Currently reading In a Jam. Okay, so the first thing I want to say, I think I did like a little clip, is that the child says cuss words. You can't blame her because nowadays there's like a lot of kids saying cuss words. We have Shay, the main character. She came from Boston. She's like a big city girl and she was like a teacher. I don't want to say what happened. I want you guys to read it. But something happened that made her move to inherit her grandmother's farm. So I'm just gonna go over there, see how it is, and see if I like it. If not, I'll just go back to the big city. Noah's a single dad and he's taking care of Jeannie. And I didn't know we're gonna have Noah's point of view, which is cool. We see the inside of Noah's and his life as being a single dad. And this is my first book reading about a single dad, and it wasn't even that bad. Every minute of this book, it was like so cute about looking at their past and seeing their future, and there's like a little bit of fall in there and farmers markets, and I thought that was cute. I thought that was cute. The guy knows how to raise a farm and he knows how to make jam, bread, and I thought it was so cool. And I'm like, now I want to eat jam. I go to the grocery store now and I'm like, I just think of Noah and I was like, what if he made that jam? And I'm like, bruh, no. And I'm like, I've been craving jam now because like they're like explaining like all these different types of jam and everything. I think you guys should check the trigger warnings. It wasn't that bad, but just in case. Oh, slow burn. Oh my god. I don't know if I like slow burn, but if you like slow burn, this is a good book because it took forever for them to like have their first kiss, and then I was like, damn. But my final rating for that book, I think it was just a slow burn. Got me a little bit. The chemistry was there, everything was there. I think it was just a little slow for me. It's gonna be like a 3, but like a high 3 stars. I was gonna give it 4, but then I was thinking about it and I was like, I kind of got bored like a little bit throughout the book, just a little bit. And the plot twist, it wasn't that, oh my god, it was like everything's gonna be ruined, blah blah blah. It wasn't that bad. It was kind of soft. I do recommend it. It was like really really nice. I think that's all I have to say about the Kindle pros and cons and my little reading vlog. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you need to find me, I'm probably on Barnes & Nobles. Bye.